But guys, it's been like 6 months-ish or like a year. As you can see, I've done a few updates with myself, but I'm back in Bangkok and I want to do some grooming. And the King Barber and Spa invited me to come back and do a little update video because they've updated their package and their pricing. So let's go check it out. Here we go. Hello. Okay. So there's new price, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So what's new? Which one's new? What's the new service? Exfoliate, please. Okay, exfoliate.
Everything give you 900 baht 90 minutes ค่ะ
900 baht for 90 minutes.
Yes.
And this is wash your feet, exfoliate your feet, apply hot compresses with herbal stones, shave, massage your face, apply cucumber face mask, clean your ears, cut your nails, massage your feet, massage your legs, massage your arms, massage your back, skincare, wash your hair, blow dry your hair. Total 90 minutes. You can do it in 90 minutes?
Yes.
Really? Everything?
Yes, everything.
I don't believe her, but okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. This is my least favorite part because it's a bit ticklish. Chikachi. Okay, yeah. Well, I won't put my feet in the video. Oh, cold.
Very cold.
Yes. Are you okay? Oh, you go for pedicure and everything, yeah? You're used to it. Me, nah, I'm not used to this.
Sorry, Madam, where you come from?
Can you guess where I'm from?
I guess China.
From Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Thai.
Thai. How you can speak Thai?
So the washing is finished. Now we're gonna move to the second part. But it was they added like a new exfoliating, so she sort of like scrapes your feet, gets all the dead skin out of there, and then yeah, I'm way too ticklish for that. Oh, more stairs. Okay. It's probably my least favorite part of Bangkok. All the stairs everywhere.
Okay.
Oh, what's this? It's like something hot on my feet. That's nice. And one more goes on my stomach and two on my feet. That's very nice.
Hot stone.
Hot stone. Okay, hot stones. And blanket. That's pretty nice. How are you going? Relax?
Very good.
Sabai? So we'll just do line up and then maybe here clean.
Okay.
Okay.
Clean. Clean.
It's nice and cool. Especially like the weather's so hot and like smoky here in Bangkok. That's really nice.
Okay, man.
Yeah, very good. Very gentle.
Clean. Clean.
That's a good line. Oh yeah, we're better. Yeah.
Anyone? No?
What do you think? What do you think? You think yes or no?
Okay. No, man.
Leave it? Up to you.
Tell me.
Oh wow. That was really relaxing. How you going then? So usually like your eyes will be covered as well, but because I'm filming, obviously I need my eyes. That's what it should look like. And like you got to think about like all the work that goes into not just the massage part, but someone's actually slicing every cucumber, prepping all of this stuff to get it ready for the customers. I think it's about that time. Looks the same as last time. Very bad?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Bật lại nữa. Sẵn có là mình.
See, I was waiting to come back and do it here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thì nó cái ngoài. Massage, foot massage. Ở đâu? And leg massage. Back massage. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot there. Oh. Oh wow. Jesus. But you know, the more I do this, the better, the nicer it feels. Oh. No, it feels nice. Jeez, that's so much. Oh my god.